Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the best Ninja Neverstick Premium Hard-Anodized 10-piece cookware set. If you're in the market for cookware that offers durability, versatility, and top-tier performance, this set is one you'll want to check out. The Ninja Neverstick Premium set is designed to change the way you cook. With its Neverstick technology, you can expect a non-stick surface that won't chip, flake, or peel, making your cooking experience smoother and your cleanup easier. This exclusive coating is fused to the cookware using superheated plasma ceramic particles, creating a surface that's not only tough but also ensures long-lasting performance, even with high-heat cooking. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, the cookware won't lose its non-stick properties over time, unlike traditional non-stick pans that deteriorate after regular use. The set includes a 10-piece collection, giving you all the essential tools you need for your kitchen. From an 8-inch fry pan to a 6.5-quart stock pot, this set has you covered for almost every cooking need. And if you're a fan of versatility, the pans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can go from stovetop to oven seamlessly, just like with cast iron, without worrying about damaging the cookware. Ninja has also ensured that this set is made with a hard-anodized exterior that's highly durable and resistant to scratches, even when using metal utensils. This premium material ensures that your pots and pans continue to look great, even after years of use. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for comfort and are double riveted to guarantee strength and maneuverability. Plus, the tempered glass lids allow you to keep an eye on your food while locking in moisture, ensuring that your dishes come out perfectly every time. The heavy-gauge aluminum base provides excellent heat distribution, so you can cook evenly without worrying about hot spots. This is especially important when preparing dishes that require precision and consistency. The aluminum is also designed to provide quick and even heat, ensuring that every meal is cooked to perfection. Another impressive feature of this cookware set is the ease of cleaning. The Neverstick technology, combined with the non-toxic, PFOA-free coating, ensures that food slides off effortlessly. Whether you're cooking a delicate fish or a hearty stir-fry, you'll find that cleanup is a breeze. And, if you're looking to save time, you'll love that these pots and pans are dishwasher safe. But what really sets this cookware apart is its 10-year guarantee. Ninja stands behind its Neverstick technology, assuring you that your cookware will deliver excellent results for years to come. If used as directed, you won't experience the frustrations of sticking, chipping, or flaking. It's a promise that gives you peace of mind with every meal you prepare. So, if you're looking for cookware that combines high performance, durability, and easy maintenance, the Ninja Neverstick Premium Hard-Anodized 10-piece cookware set is a standout option. Whether you're a home chef or just someone who loves to cook, this set delivers everything you need to take your cooking to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.